Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Saturday to everybody. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing to do today. We have coming from Hoover on Amazon. It is Smartwash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Future is here now. Definitely excited for this one. So you guys could click on the link down below. Check them out. And this is the first one, I do believe, of these smartwashes. So definitely excited to show you guys what this thing's all about, and we'll set it up together and do a little test run throughout this video. So, and take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. They'll send this out to you in no time. So definitely excited. There we go. Boom. Whoop. So many things that are smart technology related these days. It's insane. Surprised there's no like smart toilets or something like that next. But definitely cool to use this technology. See how easy it is to set up and all that good stuff. We got the manual. Should be easy though. I don't think I might need the manual. Kind of goes to buy. There we go. I got something here. 3 easy steps to unpack your smartwash. Alright. So that's already put together. Cool. Kind of looks like a Voltron character. The legs. Pretty cool. Alright, we got the little brush. Nice. And that's probably to pick up the dirt. Loose dirt. Stuff like that. Hey, look at this. That's cool. They even send you a little sample of the pet stain and odor. I got an older dog now. She's like 16 years old. Pomeranian. So that's why I had to get one of these. Show you guys the magic. And oh boy. We got some stuff in here. So it should be easy. I'm going to put you guys down. Pull this out of the box. But just want to let you guys look inside. And they got the Hoover bag with the accessory. Oopsie. With the accessories in it. The hose. It's pretty cool. What else we got here? Here's the handle. Pew pew pew. It's like a Star Wars gun. Alright, so just gotta pull that out. I can't do it with one hand, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. I haven't clicked the handle. This is the handle it came with. And see right there. Gotta push it in. There you go. And that's in. Look how easy that was. Handle release. There we go. Alright, the solution tank's right there. That's where you put your carpet formula. And that. And I'm not sure what this. Oh, this is for the cord to. There you go. See it? That's cord. Power. The handle release is right there. And this is a nice one. I like the color. Turquoise is not too bad. Pretty lightweight. And all this stuff we gotta do. Gotta figure this out. So I'm taking this out right. Oh, that was easy. Water. Fill the water nice and hot. Remove debris from red screen. Oh. There's a red screen. See you guys down there. Alright, so actually water goes in here. There we go. Okay, water goes in here. This is the water. It even says it right on tippy top. Water. I'm not sure what this is on. Smart brush. Alright. So I'm going to have to read about that in a second. I'll put you guys on pause, but that's what it looks like when you take those out. There's brushes down there. Ooh. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. This is where the waste goes when you're done steaming your carpets and cleaning them. This is easy to take apart. I'll show you guys in a second. You gotta take this like so. And then Oh shoot, let me clean up the mess over here. Sorry about that. Kind of doing it in a rush. But right here, I'm supposed to just pop these out. What's going on here? There we go, lift. See, comes out like that, and that's where the waste goes. Lock it in, make sure it's sealed, and then all I gotta do is clamp, locked and ready for round 2. That looks pretty good. And then all I gotta do is put it back like so. Boom. And I'm gonna fill this up with the water. And then I gotta fill that with the solvent. And then we're gonna do a test run. Stay tuned. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the water filled. This is called the clean water tank. And we got the dirty water tank down there. We got the accessory hose right here. We got the upper handle right there. And the solution tank right there. And the carpet cleaner is right there. The brushes are really easy to take out and clean once you get the handle. And I gotta loop it just like that. So that's where the cord goes. You gotta wrap it around there and into that little groove. And now I'm just gonna add the solution. And I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, here's the extension hose. If you guys are wondering where do you plug it in, right down here it says hose connector. All I gotta do is have some fun. And well, that didn't work out too well. But that's how easy it is to take the brushes. Where is? No, that'll go in there. I gotta figure this part out now. Dang, I thought it was going there, but that's how you take out the brush. Alright, that's something new. Oh, down here. Here it is. Right there. There's the little hose connector. And all I gotta do, like I said, have some fun. Plug it in. Like that. Bada boom. We'll probably use that in the, at the end of the carpet cleaning part. So really cool. Didn't take me too long. So what, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the solution. Hopefully the magic solution will take care of everything. And if not, I'm going to have to find something else to do the trick. But hopefully this stuff works. It's the pet stain one. What is it called? So I'll leave the links down below for those two. The pet stain and odor. So pretty cool. Here it is. Do not drink this. It's not a good thing to drink. So just flip it. Chug it. She is locked and loaded. Oh yeah. So now just gotta plug her in. And like I said, it's supposed to switch from like, what does it say? From steam to clean or some kind of thing. Alright, hold on one sec. Plug it in, plug it in. Alright, we got the handle design, clean water tank filter, dirty water recovery tank, the hose connection, we saw that. Automatic wash, that's what it does. Dry LED display, so here's that. Solution tank, carry handle, cord wrap, handle release pedal. And that's down there, the on and off switch. And we got the brushes, just for the carpets and stuff like that. Even for your car, you could use this on. Okay, do not use carpet cleaner as a traditional vacuum cleaner. Yes, I know that. So pre-treating, I don't need to do that. Plug it in, it should be ready to go. Just got to turn it on, turn it off. Hopefully it's quiet too. A lot of these machines are loud. Carpet maintenance, okay, we could figure that out later. Okay, slowly move forward. The unit will automatically dispense optional amount of water and cleaning. Ooh. Slowly pull backward. The unit will automatically dry your carpet. Whoa. When cleaning is complete, you'll want to reduce the dry time. Press the dry only button. That's right there. For best results, rinsing the carpet with clean water only. This will remove residue carpet cleaning solutions from your carpets to rinse. Okay. Alrighty, I'm going to plug her in. I got to find a cord, and I'll be done with the video. Alrighty, YouTubers. Yeah, she is pretty loud. So we're going to go move on. Cord. There we go. Drop it down. Oh. You just want to dry it. Alrighty, so there you have it, the Hoover Smartwash, working pretty good, and all you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out. Be safe, have a good day, see you soon.